Okay, so I have these silver rings, and these silver rings have some oxidation or quite severe oxidation. The only thing I have at home is cleaning vinegar, so let's put them into cleaning vinegar for approximately 8 hours, and then let's see if the vinegar can actually get rid of that silver oxidation or not. Let's see.